election is significant because behind me, of course, is the seat of power. And as we know, this weekend they are marking 2 years of being in government. And what a blitzkrieg it's been, with just down the road, if you go down Vijay Path, Rajpath, and come to India Gate, then there's a huge tent set up, a lot of security already there. People are being kept out, and they've set up a tent there because tomorrow there's going to be a major telethon of the government. And as we know, Prime Minister Modi has just spoken a short while ago. All ministers are going to be spread out across the country. You're already hearing radio jingles everywhere. I was talking about the achievements of the government, but many people are asking, many political opponents, whether it's the Congress or whether it's the Aam Aadmi Party, they are saying, how much is the government spending on talking about this? So we have the Aam Aadmi Party, we have the Congress speaking about this. And also what's interesting is somebody who hadn't actually believed in spending so much money, the left, when Kerala government was sworn in yesterday, they also put out front page ads, which has become a major topic of conversation as well. So we'll be speaking about what it says and what it means to the voters, our young audience in Agenda, always here with us. But first, that tweet of Arvind Kejriwal, and also the ad that has been put out by the Congress trying to take down and counter the ad publicity that's being done by the government. Take a look.
90% जलाशय सूखे हैं। पीने का पानी एक दुर्लभ वस्तु इस देश में बन गई है। बुंदेलखंड जैसे देश के हिस्से में लोग घास की रोटी खाने पर मजबूर हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट को मोदी सरकार को राजधर्म याद दिलाना पड़ता है, पर उनकी चुनी हुई मोदी सरकार बैंड बाजे, ढोल नगाड़े और इश्तहार पर सैकड़ों रुपया खर्च कर आत्म प्रसिद्धि में जुटी है।
This is a part of the policies of the government. The implementation and the outcome is a part of the whole process, and dissemination of this information is also a very important aspect.
But is it worth spending hundreds of crores on advertisements? Is it true that 1,000 crores have been spent on advertising, as Arvind Kejriwal claims?
Well, I do not know Mr. Kejriwal, who has to run a state of Delhi, spends twice that amount in Delhi trying to build himself up. And this is a program for the country which has a budget for more than 10 lakh crores. And this is a small amount which has to be otherwise as a part of the budget that is approved by the government. That is a budgeted process.
So we have here representatives of various parties also joining us. From the left, we have Shatru Ghosh from the Congress, we have Nasir Hussain and Raghav Chatta from the Aam Aadmi Party. We hope to have Shaina NC joining us from Mumbai, the BJP spokesperson who really has to answer to how they're countering all these political attacks that they're facing from various quarters. First of all, really, what is the money that is being spent on this? Just to tell you a little bit about the event that is taking place on Saturday, a big ad campaign, and also they've roped in people like Piyush Pandey and Ogilvy and Mathur and Roshan Abbas's group in order to, coordinate and have this event that they've got, 5-hour campaign. So Raghav Chaddha, you were the only one, your party and Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was the only one who put out a specific figure. Even though the Congress put out ads and questioned it, you said 1,000 crores has been spent. How did you come up with this figure?
So approximately 1,000 crores, yes. In the various artists and professionals that you have just named, their market price, plus the newspaper ads, the front pages ad, the money that is being asked by the BJP-ruled state government to spend to celebrate the first 2 years of Modi government in office, plus the radio advertisement, plus various press conferences as well as propaganda blitz that this government is indulging in. If you sum up those entire amounts, you will come to a figure close to 1,000 crores. So if this is the amount that the government is spending in order for a makeover or to indulge in propaganda blitz, then this clearly shows that this government has done nothing for the people, A. B, if you look at the figures that have been published by this government, their own ministers on the floor of the house, while answering various questions, starred and unstarred parliamentary questions, have said that somewhere close to 100 odd crores was spent in the first year of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. 46 crores was spent on advertisement of Yoga Day. 57 crores was spent on advertisement, only newspaper advertisement, to celebrate the first year in office. So if this is the money that their government is spending, then it really, the people of India really need to question as to whether they've elected, a person who's indulging in rhetoric, theatrics and advertisement, or somebody who actually wants to govern.
Okay, so you've made your point. Shaina NC is already with us, but before we go to Shaina NC, so she can take on both ends of these opposition parties. The Congress, the Congress has always been the one which has been criticized for having too much spending over there, whether it was the ads put out on Indira Gandhi's anniversaries. How can you attack them now?
See, I think you have to understand, Congress, whenever they indulge in these kind of ads and other things, it used to be on a certain level which was permissible by the government, and a certain budgetary allocation used to be there. Within that limits, Congress used to do. Congress never did this kind of a tamasha, these kind of a celebration.